Hello, this is Fake Lava. What to say 56 here, and I'm making a bird video showing you my birds cause my friend Honeybuns said to make one, and he called me. So, yeah. This is my girl cockatiel. This is my boy cockatiel. Screw your phone. Got our budgie, a boy budgie here. We got our the first actual girl we got. Like we got her as a baby still. I think she doesn't like being on camera. But her name is Evie. I do not remember this guy's name, so yeah. We also got this little girl here. I believe her name was Jo. And oh, okay. I guess the rest of our buddies died, sadly. Demon cat? Let me touch you. Say hello to Demon Cat for us. We'll say hello to Demon Cat. Boop. Boop, boop, boop. Just gonna lock him in there. I'm joking. Get out! Out! No, I don't want to accidentally close that. Okay, well, if you have enjoyed this vid, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.